Hey guys, what's up? Happy 2022 from National Nutrition. We're here to give you a review on how to get your new year started off healthy. So if that's something you'd like to see, then just keep watching. Many of us start off the new year with the best intentions and health goals and resolutions, but oftentimes we find ourselves falling off track after a couple of weeks, and most of us get frustrated, are left feeling defeated, and like we just can't do it. So we're here to really help you by giving you professional reviews from practitioners and naturopaths on steps that you can take in order to make your health goals really stick this year. So a lot of practitioners would recommend that before you start off on such a radical life change, that you take it step by step. So they would recommend starting off with what's called a healthy detox. This way you get to really give your body the TLC it needs, rest, regroup, and then you can really implement the new. So we're gonna flush out all of the indulgences from the holidays and really start fresh this year. So what is a healthy detox exactly? Well, a healthy detox is something that is sustainable, something that's not overwhelming, that you can really take step by step, but more importantly, it's not fad drinks and it's not just a box of detox pills that you take for a week and then not really know what to do and you feel restricted. So a healthy detox that a practitioner would recommend would be to eliminate certain foods that are not so great for our health and include whole foods, fresh foods, and some supplements within the diet. So how do you start a healthy detox? Well, you can start a healthy detox tomorrow, or you could take some time to really wean yourself off the foods that you're currently eating that will be on the list that's recommended to eliminate, and before you start implementing the new. So it's totally up to you if you want to take it step by step, or if you're the type of person that just likes to dive in, you can definitely get that going based on your own preferences. Let us know in the comments below what type of person you are, and that's what's great about it, to really make it stick for the long haul. So what to eliminate? Well, a lot of practitioners would agree that there's certain foods that we consume that just are not good for us. So they include things like sugar, alcohol, salt, dairy, gluten, caffeine. I know that's going to be a hard one for a lot of you. Processed foods, including sauces, and meat, which is another one that a lot of people find difficult. So if you're someone who enjoys drinking caffeine or eats meat, a lot of people do say that when they follow this type of protocol and eliminate those things for a while, that they actually feel a lot more energy, they feel a lot more alert, less brain fog, and less bloating. So of course the first few days they've reported feeling a little bit of a struggle, but after that they just started to get their own energy back after they got over that caffeine slump, and that they didn't need those pick-me-ups throughout the day, because there's a lot of crash that often comes with caffeine. So that's something that you can look forward to, is that yes, it may be tough in the first few days, but after that period, a lot of people do recommend feeling better. And if you've ever done this type of detox before or eliminated these types of foods, comment below and let us know how you felt. So now that we've discussed the things that would be recommended to eliminate, let's talk about the things that a healthcare practitioner would recommend that you do consume. So the first thing on the list is water. Make sure you're drinking a lot of water, because it flushes out your system and it hydrates you, and it just leaves you overall feeling better. Having a glass of lemon water in the morning is a really great way to kickstart the day. They would also recommend that you eat fruits low in sugar. So that's like berries, apples, oranges, bananas, and they can be fresh or frozen. Vegetables are also recommended. So any vegetables you would like, make your plate super colorful, and they can be fresh or frozen too. They would also recommend that you eat beans, legumes like lentils, chickpeas, red or white kidney beans. They're filled with fiber, they have protein in them, and they're really going to bulk up your meals, as are sweet potatoes, brown rice, rice noodles, and quinoa. So quinoa is another great one because it actually has all the amino acids to make a complete protein. So if you're someone who does consume meat and you're worried about that, you don't have to worry, because the beans, legumes, and quinoa will have you taken care of. Fresh fish is also something that's recommended. So salmon, cod, mackerel, all of those fish you can consume. They are also packed with minerals, nutrients, and omega-3s that are really going to support your energy levels and your cognitive health. Unsalted nuts are also a great snack to have on this whole foods diet, so you can definitely eat them by a handful, and they support your overall body. They're also going to give you that satisfaction of the crunch, so if you're someone who likes to eat crunchy snacks or chips, they're going to help you with that same type of craving. Herbal tea is also on the list too. So that's really great to give yourself some flavor. Or again, if you're someone who drinks caffeine, then you can really replace that beverage with the herbal tea and get that hot beverage that you're used to having, so you still kind of have that habit, but they're packed with antioxidants, so they're really going to support your skin's health. As for seasonings, so ginger, lemon, honey, garlic, those are all great ways to flavor your foods, as are seasoning and spices that don't contain salt. So it's a really great way to get you learning how to mix spices. You can get the whole family involved, and they're really going to make your foods so much more flavorful. You can also add the ginger, lemon, or honey to water, and that's also going to give you some variety too. A naturopath would also recommend taking supplements that are going to support your natural detoxification organs. So those are your liver, your gut, and your skin. So a naturopath may recommend to you to take milk thistle to support your liver's health and help cleanse it out. And that may also help your skin if you do break out. That's a possibility. Another one that a naturopath would recommend would be digestive enzymes along with pre and probiotics. So of course, those are great to have every day, and they support your overall gut health. They help to allow your gut to absorb the nutrients from all those whole foods that you're going to be eating, and really just help with bloating too. And lastly, a naturopath may recommend red beet crystals. They're a really great way to support your overall body, to help cleanse, and they're packed with antioxidants, so you're going to get that skin glowing too. If you've ever had any of these supplements before, comment below with how much you like them, if you preferred liquid or capsule formula, and how you felt upon taking them. We'd love to hear it. So lastly, while implementing a healthy lifestyle, you want to think of the other things that go along with it, not just the internal. So it's also recommended that you start to meditate, read, exercise, and get outside and get fresh air. Those are all things that a healthcare practitioner would recommend for you to do, because they're all really great for your health, and also just to really get your energy levels boosted as well. Things that you may want to consider cutting out would be TV time, tech and device time. So they often leave us feeling sluggish. They are also not great for the eyes, and they're usually used as excuses to not form those healthy habits and do those healthy exercises and cooking and all of those things. Another way to detox is your social media timeline. So a lot of us do spend time on social media, so you want to make sure that it's an environment that is conducive to your goals and a positive place for you to go. So there you have it, a healthy tips that naturopaths and healthcare practitioners alike would recommend for you to get your new year started off healthy. So if you like these types of tips and videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below with your New Year's goals, resolutions, and if you're going to try this type of healthy detox, what you think of it, and other topics you'd like to hear. We can't wait to hear from you guys, and have a healthy day.